Saseni, karibuni sana kwa video yetu ya leo. Leo tutaendelea na decision making statement. Tutaangazia nested do while loop control statement. Last video tulisoma juu ya nested while loop control statement in C program. Tukisoma juu ya nested, tulisema nesting is putting inside. So hapa tunachukua loop moja tunaweka ndani ya loop ingine. Hiyo ndio inaitwa nesting, putting inside. So we have the inner loop and the outer loop. We will go ahead and talk about the nested do while loop statement. So kwa syntax tutaanza na initialization. Tulisema initialization inafanyika mara moja katika program. After that we do, then we go to the inner do while loop. So then inside the do while loop, the inner loop, we start with inner loop statement. We print the statement. We said with do while loop we start with doing. So we start with printing something on the screen. So tuna print hiyo statement kwa screen. Tukimaliza kuprint statement tunaangalia condition kama ni ukweli ama ni uongo. After kuangalia statement tunaenda tuna increase. Ikiwa ni ukweli tuna increase the value ama tuna decrease the value. Alafu tunarudi tena kwa statement, tuna print statement, tunarudi tena kwa condition, tunaangalia kama ni ukweli ama ni uongo. Ikiwa ni uongo tunaenda kwa outer loop. Hii outer loop tuna print statement. Tukisema ku print statement ndio kunaanza, then tunaangalia condition kama ni ukweli ama ni uongo. Hii ni condition ya outer loop. Ikiwa ni ukweli tunaenda tuna increase the ama tuna decrease the value. Sasa tukimaliza ku increase ama ku decrease the value, tunarudi tena kwa statement ile ya inner loop tuna print. Alafu tunaangalia tena condition kama ni ukweli kama ni uongo. Sasa tumerudi kwa inner loop. Ikiwa ni ukweli tuna increase the statement na tunarudi tena tuna print the statement, tunarudi tena tunaangalia condition ni ukweli ama ni uongo. Ikiwa ni uongo tunaenda kwa outer loop, tuna print statement, alafu tunaangalia condition ya outer loop kama ni ukweli ama ni uongo. If the condition is true, we continue with the loop. If it is false, we get out of the loop. So loop inaishia pale. Tutaenda kwa code block tuandike hii program ndio tuweze kuelewa juu ya do while loop control statement. Tumeenda kwa code block, tutaanza na initialization of the value. So we start with I is equals to 1 semicolon. Then we go to do. Then we open the braces. Inside the braces we say int j is equals to 1 semicolon. Then we go to the inner do. Then inside we open the brackets, we say printf. So we are going to copy this printf. We copy and then we paste inside. Then we are going to change the what is written inside. So we are going to remove this one too. We put an x inside x. We want to print x. Then after that we enter and increase the value of j. So we say j plus plus. So after that we go to the while condition that we want the condition to be checked. So we say while, open the brackets, j is less than equals to 3. That is what we want to check on the screen. Then we print the outer statement, what we want the outer statement to print. So we want the outer statement to print p. Then we increase the value of I. So I plus plus. Then we go here, we write the condition, the outer condition. The outer condition will be while, then brackets, I is less than equals to just 1 equals to 2. Then in do while loop, we usually put a semicolon at the end of the condition. This one is a condition. Here we will put a semicolon showing that we can end the statement there. So we will put a semicolon at the end. Here we put a semicolon. We put a semicolon, showing that we can end this statement here. And even here we put a semicolon. Yes. So we save the program. Then we build the program. So we have 0 errors and 0 warning. So we run the program. So we're going to go through the program. The first thing we do, we are going to initialize. So we say I is equals to 1. Then after initializing the I, we are not going back to initialization. Then we come to the inner loop. We initialize J. Int J is equals to 1 semicolon. Then we print the X, print F. So we are printing something on the screen. So we print the first X, EX hapa. Then we increase the value of J. Inatoka kuwa 1, inakuwa nini? Inakuwa 2. So we come here to while, we say J is less than equals to 3. Meaning that this J is 2 is less than equals to 3. This is true. So because it is true, we are going to print another X. Then we increase the value of J from 2. We increase the value of J from 2 to 3. So we come here, we check, is 3 less than equals to 3? This is true. We print again X. This is the third X we are printing. Then we increase the value of J. It will become 4. So we check the condition. Is 4 less than equals to 3? We find that this is false, because 4 is greater than and it is not equals to. So we move out of the inner loop, we go to the outer loop. The outer loop we print P. That is why we have the first P. Tumeprint EP sasa hapa. Then after we print EP, tuka increase the value of I. Ikatoka kuwa 1 ikakuwa 2. Then after increasing, tukaenda hapa tukaangalia condition. I is less than equals to 2. So I hapa ni 2. 2 is not less than, but it is equals to 2. Because 2 is equals to 2, we go again, we repeat the inner loop. Tunakuja hapa, tuna print nini? X. Tukiprint X, tuna print the first X. Then, tuna increase the value of J. Inakuwa to 2. Then, tunaangalia is 2 less than equals to 3. This is true. We increase again, we print X, then we increase the value of J, it becomes 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? This is true. So again, we print X. Alafu tuna increase value ya J inakuwa 4. Tunaangalia is 4 less than equals to 3. Tunapata this condition is false. Print P. Sasa tumeprint P. Then tuna increase the value of I. Ilikuwa 2. Inakuwa 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? Tunapata hii ni false kwa sababu 3 ni greater than. Then after this condition, we get out of the loop. So this will be our output. We have written this program. Make sure you write the code correctly. Then we got this answer as our output. Asanteni sana kwa kunisikiza. Mkumbuke kulike hii video na msubscribe kwa hii channel.